Yes, this this is how to do make twist here. Two trend twist with you have to make 3 parts in the scalp. You see this? Make 3 parts in the scalp. This is just for type for hair. Yeah? And right to down and left to down like this. This is for the lock the scalp, and then this. In the center, you have to be part to be 2 like this. Oh shit! The head is very rough. Okay. And now just twist one by one like this. So you can make just like this. Just practice every day, make you perfect. This is, I don't use everything. I don't use formula for it's like gel or anything. I just prefer to transfuse. Oh my god! And once you want to lock the tip, just shake, or you can use rubber. The perfect. If you want to make perfect again, you can be tight, very tight. When you pull the hair pretty tight.